Here's a look at this nut and thread bolt checker and gauge set. So it comes in this case, it's got locks on it. Once you get those unlocked, opens up. So you've got your chart here. It includes metric and inch size. Your metric is red, inch is blue. It does have foam inserts, everything's labeled, and the pieces are removable. So you can see it has a threaded side to check any female nuts, and then also a female side so you can check your bolts and see what size you have. So I got this kit specifically because I ended up breaking this bolt off. So I needed to see what size threads it was. It turns out it was an M7. And that one's right there. So yep. So I was able to see quickly which bolt size it was, get the correct thread pattern and size, and then order a new one. So definitely a good kit if you ever need to check bolts or your nut thread sizes. So I would recommend picking this one up.